Hello Forex traders, welcome to the PitView Education Series. My name is Steve Nurre. I'm the Senior Market Analyst and Forex Instructor for IntroToTrading.com and for PitView. This education series was designed as a way for you, the Forex trader, to gain a deeper understanding on what is quickly becoming one of the most popular tools utilized by Forex traders in today's market. In the PitView Education Series, we will go through a broad array of subject matter, including how I personally use PitView in my trading. This is extremely important from an instruction standpoint on when it comes to practical application. How to think like a professional trader. A lot of the benefits and advantages you get from using PitView are the same benefits and advantages that somebody like me, who used to be a professional on the floor, had when trading in the pit. The PitView indicators themselves, how to use them and what they show you. Obviously, we need to go through the basics before we can go delve any deeper, and we will go through that. What the market makers are doing both long-term and short-term. A lot of what my students are always asking me as far as tools go in the market is, Steve, is there a way for us to trade with the big money, with the big market makers, with the big liquidity providers? And I always say yes, this is the way in which we do it. We can trade alongside them by using a tool such as this one to see what the market makers are doing, to see what their imbalance is. And we will discuss that in our series. Fine-tuning your entry and exit points. As traders, we all have various trading methods that we use in the market to give us buy and sell signals and and different signals that will get us out of trades also. We can fine-tune those by utilizing PitView as a trading tool to give us more confidence on when to enter and when to exit our trades. Avoiding head fakes, the whipsaw effect of the market. Oftentimes, even when I have a good trading method, when I have a good trading entry, oftentimes it'll get me into the trade and then come right back down and stop me out. We all know it, that whole whipsaw effect. Avoiding head fakes is really important. This is one of the things that I really love PitView for, is that it can sometimes give me that slight indication that maybe this is not the right time to take that entry, and oftentimes it helps me avoid a bad trade. Staying in good trades longer. As I always preach to my students, we always have to have stops. We always have to have take profit levels in the market. And while I used to, maybe when a trade would reach my take profit points, maybe I would just take that profit off the table. What PitView has helped me do is it's helped me stay in those good trades longer for more profit, with the confidence that I'm on the right side of the market because I'm trading alongside those market makers. Identifying the difference between a directional change and a retracement. Essentially, what is a move that has some oomph behind it, that is being backed by the major liquidity providers, and what could just be a slight retracement of the bigger move? Being able to identify just those two things are extremely important in trading. And of course, we're going to go through much more as we go through the education series on how to implement PitView in your own personal trading. First video, which is an introduction to PitView, obviously we need to go through what is PitView and how does it work. I do this by explaining the magical area on your trading platform. And no, it's not on your charts. What most retail traders don't realize is the magic area where most of the action happens in the markets is that little area between the bid and ask price, which is exactly what PitView does for you in measuring the imbalances the markets have between the buyers and the sellers, essentially the bid and the ask. So we'll go through that as far as how does it work. I'll also go through some of my personal viewpoints on PitView and how it's already helped me in my own personal trading. So I hope you enjoy our first introduction to PitView video, and I hope you enjoy the presentation. My name is Steve Nurre. Once again, if you need to email me, steve.nurre@advancedmarketsystems.com. Enjoy the presentation, everyone, and happy trading. Thank you very much, and have a great day.